Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
If you've ever found yourself wanting to update or improve the page titles on your Squarespace website, but weren't sure how, this tutorial is just for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to edit your page titles in Squarespace, making your site look polished, organized, and easy for visitors to navigate. So let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up Squarespace. Just head to squarespace.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you should see your website dashboard front and center. If you have more than one website, make sure you click into the specific one you want to work on. This is the workspace where all your edits will happen. Alright, now, in the website dashboard, look for the Pages section on the sidebar. This is basically your site's roadmap and where every navigation and landing page lives. Go ahead and click on Pages. You'll see a list of all your site's pages. Home, About, Blog, whatever you've added before. This is your chance to double-check you're editing the right page. Next, to change a page title, you'll want to hover your mouse over the page you want to edit. You'll notice a little gear icon pops up on the right. That gear icon is your gateway to the page settings. Think of it as the control panel for everything related to that page. Click on it, and a new dialog window will open up. Right here is where you can change the page's official title. Just find the page title field and type in your new name. For example, so maybe your contact page would work better as Get in Touch, or your blog could become Latest Posts. It's up to you, so get creative. Now, once you've typed in your new title, don't forget to hit Save at the bottom of the window. This step is super important. Without saving, all your changes will just vanish. So take a second, make sure everything looks good, then save. Here's something worth noting. After you edit and save, you'll see the new page title at the very top of your browser window, which is great for things like SEO and when someone bookmarks your site. However, you might notice that in your site's main navigation menu, the old title is still showing. Don't worry, you haven't done anything wrong. This is just how Squarespace separates page settings from navigation labels. To update the name in your main menu, just double-click on the title right within the navigation list while you're still in the Pages section. You'll see the title become editable instantly. Type in the new name you want visitors to see in your site's navigation. This is the title people will use to get around your site, so make it clear and inviting. Hit Enter, and that's it. The change is immediate. Before you wrap up, I recommend viewing your site live or in preview mode just to confirm everything looks perfect. This only takes a moment, and it ensures that both the browser tab and your site navigation show the new, updated titles. Don't worry if you missed something. Squarespace makes it easy to go back and adjust as many times as you need. And there you have it. Editing page titles on Squarespace is truly that quick and straightforward. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and drop your questions or thoughts in the comments. I always love hearing from you. If you want more clear and practical guides just like this, make sure you hit subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy editing.